Okay, so I think it's day 15 or 16 of using one wig for 30 days. It's the TressAllure leading edge wig. We are now going to put heat on it. I am going to use the Cool Flow, so you'll see that being used in the video. She does have a little bit, I wouldn't even say it's like friction damage, but it does maybe a little bit here on the bottom. But all of this feels soft and amazing, to be honest. It's really just these fibers right here at the bottom. So I'm going to go through and see what we can do about this, because look, this is so soft and smooth, but I want to just put, and I'm only going to put heat in the areas that I think need it, where the fibers appear to need it. So I will come back after I'm done and let you know how it worked. Okay, so I'm going to use this on 400, and this is one part that's a little bit worse than the others. So I started more at the, where I felt like the damage was starting. Right here, I did not go up, and you can see it's already a bit smoother. So I can see that that fixed most of this except for right here at the end. So let's see if we can just get right at the edge and see if we can just fix that up. Looks pretty good. I may at some point need to just trim a little bit of this off, but let's go ahead and do the rest of it and then see how we are looking. But it's looking pretty good. Okay, so I took this down to 280 degrees. And I really like the result of the ends. And I did just concentrate on the ends. There are some that are just, still maybe need a little bit of trimming at some point or smoothing. But overall, it's like, it was really nice. I'm going to go over it probably one more time. But all of these fibers are nice. It's literally just the very, very tips, which I think for a long, heat-safe wig, that is awesome. Because there's so much area for this to actually have friction damage. For this to really be just at the ends, I am loving it. So I'm going to keep doing this. I just wanted to come back and say that. All right, the last clip didn't record, but this is where we're at with that first pass just at the bottom. It looks really nice. Again, it's really just in here that was even the issue. So I'm just going to do the ends of the top part and then we will be done. I'm going to show you really quick. So there's a little bit in here that needs to be done. So I just do a nice little pass like this. There we go. So moving nicely. I'm happy with this a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to keep on going, but I'm only going to concentrate on where I feel like it needs the heat. looking pretty nice. I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to wear it again, but I just concentrated the heat on the areas that I felt like needed it, and I feel like it's moving nicely. It's not clumping. I am going to spray this with the dual leave-in conditioner, and I am going to just get this little spot right here. So I thought it worked best at that 280 degrees. Now I'm just going to go ahead and spray really just the bottoms, and then she'll be ready for me to wear. But it's moving nicely. It's not like clumpy. So I'm going to do this dual leave-in conditioner just on the ends. And there we go. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. So I can't wait. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what techniques you use. The next one I think we're gonna do is maybe steam. I'm trying to do all the techniques so you can see how things work, what works best, what might be best for you, easiest for you, all of the things. So this is where we're at. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I just wanted to pop on to let you know that we have so many free resources and support for this community available. You can go to tmwigs.com. One of the first ones is our blog. We upload weekly. It's called Your Wig Journey blog post, and it is amazing. That is on the website, tmwigs.com. We also have an amazing private Facebook group. There is no drama, no nonsense, just fun support and really exclusive deals. And that's the Wig Hangout at Tia Maria Wigs on Facebook. So come join us. We have amazing things for you. We'd love to have you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.